Hi, John with padprinters.com, talking about the Cliche Making Kit, the stuff that comes with the Cliche exposure unit. In the previous video, I did an overview of the 1083, which is the exposure unit here that everything is sitting on top of. If you missed that, go back and watch that first, and then the rest of the stuff in your kit. So, if you ordered the kit from us, you would get included in there some cliches. Here you should have some cliches that you ordered. They're not included in the kit, but your cliches are going to come in these plastic protective envelopes. You want to make sure that once you've opened them, you keep these in an area that is free from UV light. You don't want those to get accidentally exposed, so usually you put them in a drawer or a cabinet. Then you have, in a cardboard tube, you'll find a roll of film. Looks like this. This is your line screen film. It's I think it's 200 by 600 millimeters, and you can cut the 200s down into 4 or more, actually 600 millimeter wide pieces, which I'll show you in another video. So you can, this is a supply of line screen film. Line screen film is reusable. As long as you don't kink it, dent it, scratch it, you can reuse it as long as you keep it in good shape. This is laser printable film. If you're using this film from us, it is basically a polyester film material. Comes 100 sheets. It's fairly transparent, and it's frosted on both sides, so there's really no correct orientation for that. You can print it on either side. You have Tosh BLK. This is for increasing the density or opacity of the toner once you laser print it. And you have Developer. If you're using alcohol wash plates, this is our Cliche developing solution, 1 liter. You have a bin. This is just a Rubbermaid or Sterilite bin that you can get at Lowe's or whatever if you didn't get one from us. And paint pad is all that we use for developing. And then if you didn't receive with your initial order, you can ask us, we can send you this stuff. These are test foams, so these are foams that we can supply to you in the event that you are having some difficulty or you want to test the efficiency of your cliche making process, and I'll explain that in a couple minutes on a different video. And then these are some offcuts. These are just scrap pieces that are left over from when we cut the production size cliches out of the sheets. You can get some of these from us if they didn't come with your initial order, so that you can do some testing and learning cliche making without going through production plates. So that is the stuff that should come in your cliche making kit. And next I'll explain what the films are for specifically. Thanks.